In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your Xbox, no matter what model you have, has on the screen mode not supported message. This is an error that forbids you from using it, and today I'll show you how to fix this issue. So before even showing you my trick, what I suggest to you is to simply unplug your Xbox from the wall socket. Okay, unplug it and wait about 5 minutes, because sometimes this, as easy as it sounds, can fix the problem and you won't have to go through another method to fix it. So if this didn't work, now I'll show you what to do. So what we'll do next is, well, turn on your TV and we'll power on the Xbox as we usually do it by pressing on this Xbox logo, but then we'll have to keep press this button, the one that you use to sync your controller. We'll have to press it for about 3-4 seconds until we see a menu appearing on the screen. So let's do it together. I'm powering it on and then I'm keeping press this button until I see something happening on the TV, usually I would say 3, 4, 5 seconds. Okay, I see something, I release the button, and now we'll go over here. So we have multiple options on the screen. What we need to do is to go over here where we see reset this Xbox. So take your controller, power it on if it's not already the case, and then navigate to reset this Xbox, press A, and we have two choices. First, I highly recommend you try this one, the first one, which says keep games and apps. This will not delete your games, apps, stuff like that. It will simply reset it and hopefully you'll get rid of this message. If you're still having this problem, go back in this menu and select remove everything. This is a factory reset. It will remove your games, apps. Obviously, you'll be able to put them back after. It just takes more time. So that's why I recommend you use this method first. And if it doesn't work, then use this one, remove everything. And after that, for sure, when you select this, the message will not appear again. So this was my trick, how to get rid of this error. And if you have other solutions, please write them in the comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to find them out. If not, simply like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.